Hello everyone, I am Devi Visalakchi from CAC Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. We are going to discuss the subject Computer Architecture and Organization from the first unit. The topic is Components of Computer. So this is the structure of computer. So this we are having the input unit as well as output unit, and then control unit, ALU, internal memory, main memory, secondary storage. Actually it's having the three categories. First one is the input unit, memory unit as well as the output unit. So in that memory unit we are having the ALU, control unit, internal memory, main memory as well as the secondary storage. All the devices are there. The first one is we can discuss about the first thing is input unit. So the input unit consists of input devices that are attached to the computer. These devices take input or cover into a binary language that the computer understood. So the common input devices or keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, etc. Central processing unit. The central processing unit is the brain of a computer because it controls everything the computer does. When you enter information using an input device, the CPU processes it. First, it fetches instructions from memory, then decodes them to understand what needs to be done. In this we are having some other units also. First one is the arithmetic logic unit, control unit. First we can discuss about the arithmetic logic unit. The ALU, as the name suggests, perform mathematical calculations and take logical decisions. Arithmetic calculations include addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Logical decisions involve some comparisons of two data items to see which one is larger or smaller or equal. Next one is the control unit. The control unit coordinates and control the data flow in and out of the CPU and also controls all the operations of ALU, memory registers and also input-output units. It is also responsible for carrying out all the instructions stored in the program. It decodes the fetched instruction, interprets it and sends controls signals to input and output devices. Memory registers. A register is a small temporary memory inside the CPU. The processor uses it to store data that it currently working on. Registers some in current different sizes such as 16-bit, 32-bit as well as the 64-bit. And each has special role. Some store data and some store instruction and others hold memory addresses. Output unit. The output unit consists of output devices that are attached to the computer. It converts the binary data coming from the CPU to human understandable form. The common output devices are monitor, printer and plotter, etc. Motherboard. The motherboard is like the backbone of the computer, connecting all the important parts such as the CPU, memory and storage. It also helps distribute power, transfer information and connect devices like mouse, keyboard or monitor. If there is a problem with the motherboard, the computer technical may open the PC to check for any loose or damaged connections such as corrosion. Random access memory. Random access memory is the computer's short-term memory where data is stored temporarily while programs are running. For example, when you open an application, it loads into RAM so the computer can access it quickly. A technician knows how to check what type of RAM computer has, replace it if it's faulty and fix issues with moving data in memory. Power supply unit. The power supply unit gives electricity to all the part of a computer. It usually connects the PC to a wall socket using a power cord. If there is a problem, a technician may check by turning off the computer, unplugging the power cord or trying a different cord or outlet to see if the issue is with the power supply. Characteristics of a computer: speed, accuracy, diligence, versatile and storage. Thank you.